The co-founder and former chief scientist of OpenAI, Ilya Sutskever, shared optimistic vision on future of artificial intelligence AI in his convocational address at the University of Toronto. AI may be far from perfect today, but the technology is marching towards a future with vast possibilities but is still not close to reaching its full potential. He iterated, AI will keep getting better, and the day will come when AI will do all the things that we can do, and even more. He foresaw rapid advancements leading to the faster scientific discoveries, economic growth, and widespread automation. Describing AI as unprecedented and extreme, he predicted that it will eventually surpass human capabilities in all tasks. However, he estimated that AI could achieve this level of proficiency within the next 3 to 10 years. The influence of AI on society is inevitable. Whether we like it or not, our lives are going to be affected by AI to a great extent. Drawing a parallel between the human brain and digital computer, Sutskever argued the brain is biological computer, so a digital brain can do the same things. Hence, it's time now to perceive what's the difference between the brain in your head and the brain inside a machine. The biological brain is messy, powerful, shaped by millions of years of evolution. It learns through experience, adapts, feels emotions, and dreams. Whereas the digital brain or AI runs on code and silicon. It processes data at lightning speed, never sleeps, and can store almost limitless information. But there is a twist. AI doesn't understand the way humans do. It mimics, it predicts, but it doesn't feel, imagine, or wonders why. As AI evolves, will it complement our mind or compete with them? The future of AI isn't just about building smarter machines. It's about redefining what it means to be intelligent. Biological versus digital. It's not a war, but a partnership if we get it right. AI systems bring immense benefits, but they also raise serious safety concerns. These issues can be grouped into technical, ethical, and social risks. Coming back to Ilya Sutskever, addressing to the issue of safety concerns, he has started a new company, Safe Superintelligence Inc. SSI, with a commitment to advancing AI technology while ensuring safety. He adopted clear approach that will avoid the distractions and pressures often faced by larger AI firms which have to balance innovation with commercial and management demands. Now let me ask about the brain of tomorrow. Will it be human, machine, or both? What do you think? Please leave your answer in the comment box. If you find this content interesting, please like it and subscribe my channel Physifer. Thank you for watching.